Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Yes, no? Which class is this? It is EVS class. You all have written your exam well, I hope, right? And now we are starting with the next chapter. Which is that chapter? It is from science part. See, if you don't have your textbook, just take your rough notebook, your pencil and sit, okay? If you feel anything is important, if I tell anything, note down means if I tell anything, underline in your textbook, you can copy that in your rough notebook, okay? I think so many of you have not got your textbook still. So, I'm telling, no need to worry about the textbook, you will get, but anything important thing, if I tell you to note down means just write down in your rough notebook. Okay, it's enough. And once you get the textbook, you can read. Now, we'll start with the lesson. It is page number 242. Page number 242. Okay, it is the science part. Science part, you all know science and social part. Yes, no, it is page number 242, science part. And which lesson we are going to learn about today? It is about our teeth. Lesson number 7, your teeth. About your teeth, our teeth we are going to learn. Before this teeth chapter, what we learned was digestion, right? We have learned about digestion. Now in this class we are going to learn about teeth. Yes, no? How many teeth you all have? How many? It is 32 teeth, right? 32 teeth we all have. And what you do with your teeth? What it helps? To bite, to eat anything, to chew, to talk. Yes, no? And it gives our face a proper shape. Okay, these all things it helps us to chew the food properly. Without teeth, can we chew? Without teeth, can we bite? No. Yes, no? See now, those who have the textbook, take out your textbook, take out your pencil and set. Those who don't have the textbook, take out your rough notebook and write down. Those who have the textbook, underline which I tell. Those who don't have textbook, in your rough notebook, copy down. Okay, I'll write on the board. If I tell you to underline, if I tell you to copy down, you can write down. No need to write everything. Which and all I write on the board, no need to copy down. Okay, only the thing which I tell you to copy, only that thing you have to copy down. Okay. Now, see, it is lesson number 7, your teeth. You eat different kinds of food every day. Yes, we all eat different kinds of food every day. Not only one kind of food. We eat different kinds of food. Chapati, roti, dosa, idli, rice. Yes, no? We all will eat different kinds of food each day. You bite, tear, chew, crush and grind the food before you swallow it. We bite the food, tear the food, tear, we tear, right? We bite, we chew, we crush and grind the food. Take out your rough note. Right here, what you do with your teeth? We bite, right? We bite. We tear the food, tear, right? And we chew the food, we chew. Yes, no? And we grind the food. Chewing is also called as grinding. We grind the food. These all things we do. And after doing all these only we can swallow, right? After biting, chewing, grinding, tearing, After all this thing only, we can swallow the food, or else like that only can we swallow. If you are eating chapati, what you will do? You just put the chapati inside your mouth and you will swallow. Can we swallow? No. First we'll tear, yes, no, or else we'll bite, we'll chew, we'll grind it. Using our tongue, we'll grind it, right? No, while grinding, while chewing, salivary glands produces saliva. With the help of saliva, we are chewing the food into smaller particles. Yes, no, in the digestion we have learnt. And after that only, that food we are swallowing. Even if you are eating rice also, you'll chew it, right? Will not swallow it directly, will chew it. Okay, the teeth helps us in biting, tearing the food, chewing the food, and grinding the food before we swallow it. How do you do this? How we are doing this? See, you have teeth in your mouth that help you to do this. You all have teeth, right? You all have no. Where's your teeth? Here, you all have teeth. With the help of the teeth only, you're doing all these activities. You're biting, you're tearing, you're chewing, right? Grinding, everything with the help of our teeth. We are doing this. Your teeth also help you to talk. Yes, our teeth also helps us to talk. How? Without your teeth, can you talk? See, you have teeth, you're talking. Once imagine any small babies. Okay, small babies which they didn't got the teeth still. Can they speak? No. Yes, no. They can't speak properly. We can't understand what they are speaking. And you also, in this age, you will be having that teeth. Your teeth will be falling down, right? If your teeth fall down, 1 or 2 teeth fall down, when you are speaking, when you are talking, you can't talk properly, right? The words you can't pronounce properly. Have you all observed this? You all can't talk properly if your teeth has fall down. So teeth also helps us to talk, pronounce properly, and also it gives shape to our face. Yes, no, it gives a shape to our face. See, in small children, small babies, or else grandmas, if they have teeth has fall down, how they look? How? They'll be not having teeth, right? Their gums will be joined. They have any shape on the face? No, they won't look nice. And even the small babies also. Yes, no, they don't have teeth. This teeth also helps us to talk, and even it gives a good shape to our face. So, your teeth has an important role to play in your daily life. So, your teeth has an important role. It plays an important role in our daily life. Okay, our teeth, it also plays a important role. What is that? The food. If we want to eat food, we need our teeth, right? And for talk properly, we need our teeth. To get a proper shape of our face, we need teeth. This is all the things teeth helps us. But do you know that when you were born, you did not have any teeth? Do you know? When you were born, you did not have any teeth. You didn't have any teeth at all. See, unlike your heart or brain, your teeth weren't there from the day you were born. See, heart and brain, when we born, by the time only we'll be having heart, brain, everything, right? But the teeth, only the teeth we'll be not having at that time. We won't have teeth when we born. Yes, no? After 1 year, like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, nearly 1 year, then the teeth starts growing one by one, it starts growing. Okay, see, though the teeth were present even before you were born, they didn't become visible until you were about 6 to 12 months old. If the teeth were there also, it were not visible. It would not visible means, see, you can observe in small children, they'll be having teeth. No teeth at all. They'll not have teeth. Yes, no? You all have seen small children. They'll not have teeth. If you keep your finger, they'll bite. No. If you give any chocolate or anything, they'll bite. No. They just chew with their gums itself. Yes, no? They don't have teeth. Even if they have also, it will be not visible. When they reach 6 to 12 months, 6 months, 7 months, by that time, one teeth, little bit, it will be visible. Okay? See, in the teeth, there are two types, which is that milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. What is this milk teeth and permanent teeth? Milk teeth, you all know. What is this milk teeth? You all know. When you reach 6 to 7 months, by that time your teeth will be visible. Right? A little bit. First one line it will be visible. And after that, once ask your mother when your teeth appeared. Okay, when your teeth was visible to them. Once you ask your parents, they'll tell your mother by 7 months or 8 months, they'll tell. Okay, after this, now when you reach 6 to 7 months, before 1 year, 12 months, before 12 months baby, your teeth starts growing, coming out. Most children have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. First set of teeth. It is the milk teeth. See, many of the children, when the teeth starts growing, it is from 6 months baby, it starts growing. By the time they reach 3 years, they'll have teeth. That is 20 teeth they'll have. They'll have 20 teeth. These are called the milk teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth. Okay. When they are 6 months, when they reach 6 months, the teeth starts growing. From the 6 months till they reach 3 years, they'll be having 20 teeth. Okay, this is what the milk teeth. These are called milk teeth. When a child is 5 or 6 years, these teeth start falling out one by one. When the child starts getting his age, when the child is 5 or 6 years, after 5 years or after 6 years, the child, it gets his teeth falling down one by one. All the teeth will not fall down once at a time. One by one, once. First one teeth it will fall down. After falling down, after some days, after few days, it takes few days, and it comes, and another one teeth will grow in that place, and after that growth, and another teeth, another teeth, it will fall down like that. Each teeth will fall one by one, it will fall. When you reach 5 to 6 years, it starts falling down again. Okay, this is the milk teeth. The first set of teeth is milk teeth. When it is it starts from 6 months to 3 years. It will be 20. It will be 20 teeth. Okay. It starts from 6 months baby to 3 years. Until the child gets 3 years, the teeth will be growing, and it will be in numbers. It is 20 teeth. Okay, that is the first set of teeth which we all get. It is called as milk teeth. That is the first set of teeth and it is called as milk teeth. You can note down this. Those who have the textbook, underline that. Okay, underline. And those who don't have the textbook, write in your rough notebook. First, understand what I am telling. Okay, if you forgot to write in the book also, you can remember. First, understand what I am telling. What we have? Two sets of teeth. Yes, no? It is, first one is milk teeth. The first set of teeth is milk teeth. In this milk teeth, when we born, will not have any teeth at all. Yes, no? When we reach 6 months, by the time little bit teeth starts growing when we reach 6 months, and after that until we reach 3 years, until we are 3 years baby, the teeth will be growing, and by the time we reach 3 years, the teeth will be 20. We'll be having 20 teeth. By the time we reach 3 years, we'll be having 20 teeth. This teeth is called as milk teeth. Understood? And this teeth, it will fall down. It has started growing from the 6 months. Yes, no, when we are 6 months, it has started growing. When until we reach 3 years, the teeth will be growing. And once we reach 3 years, we will be having 20 teeth. And after 2 to 3 years, it may be 5 years or 6 years or 7 years. After that, you can see that your teeth will be falling down one by one, your teeth will be falling down. Yes, no. And after falling down, again you will get the teeth. Yes, no. By this time, I hope you all have got this experience. Yes, no, your teeth has fallen down also, and you all have got a new teeth also, right? Not all the teeth, some of your teeth, right? It has fallen down and again it has grown. Yes, no, that again growing teeth is called as permanent teeth. Understood? Once it is grown and fall down, after falling down, again it is growing, right? That teeth is called permanent teeth. See, your milk teeth fall out because they are being pushed out of the way by the permanent teeth that grow behind them. Your milk teeth is falling down. Why? Why the milk teeth is falling down? Because there is another one set of teeth. There is another one set of teeth. It is permanent teeth. It is pushing the milk teeth. It is pushing the milk teeth. So, it is falling down. Understood? Milk teeth, it has grown. Behind the milk teeth, we are having permanent teeth also. That permanent teeth, it has to come out. No? It has to come out. So, it is pushing the milk teeth. It is pushing the milk teeth. So, the milk teeth is falling down. Once the milk teeth is fall down, we'll get the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth is coming out. Yes, no? Slowly, the permanent teeth grow in and take the place of the milk teeth. Slowly, the permanent teeth, it is growing. The permanent teeth is growing. It is coming out and taking the place of milk teeth. This permanent teeth, it is pushing the milk teeth. It is pushing the milk teeth and milk teeth is falling down. After milk teeth is fall down, this permanent teeth, it is coming out. It is growing in, it is coming out and it is taking the place of the milk teeth. By the age of 12 or 13, most of you would have lost all your milk teeth and have a full set of permanent teeth. By the age of 12 to 13 years, when you reach 12 to 13 years, all your teeth would have fallen down. Which teeth? Milk teeth. When it starts falling down by the age of 5 to 6 years. Yes, no. By the age of 5 to 6 years, your milk teeth starts falling down, and by the age when you reach 12 to 13 years, now we all are 10 to 11 years, right? Still another 2 years are there. When you reach 12 to 13 years, all your milk teeth will be fall down and you will be having a new teeth, permanent teeth. This teeth will not again fall down, it will be permanent. If in case it fall down, you will not have the teeth. Okay, milk teeth means if it fall down, we'll get the permanent teeth. In case if your permanent teeth fall down, if you get hurt or some other thing, your teeth has broke down, then you will not get the teeth at all. Okay, that is a permanent teeth. Once if it is break down, fall down, you will not get the teeth. See, there are 28 permanent teeth in all. Once we get the age of 12 to 13 years, we'll be having 28 teeth. We'll be having 28 teeth. See here, permanent teeth. By the age of 5 to 6 years, the teeth starts falling down. Yes, no? By the age of 12 to 13 years, we'll be having 28 teeth. All of us will be having 28 teeth. If you want, you can count. Okay, you can count. See, between the ages of 17 and 21, 4 more teeth called wisdom teeth grow in the mouth. And after this 12 to 13 years, until we reach 12 to 13 years, we'll be having 28 teeth. Yes, no? And after this, again, ma'am told first 32 teeth. Okay, and milk teeth are 20. Okay, the milk teeth will fall down. Permanent teeth 28. Yes, okay. And remaining 4, where are those? Yes, no, you will be thinking, ma'am told 32 teeth. Yes, but ma'am is telling now permanent teeth 28. Remaining 4 where? Remaining 4. Again it will grow when you reach your age 70 to 21. Okay, when you reach your age 17 to 21 years, again 4 more teeth will grow, wisdom teeth. It is called as wisdom teeth. Here in this part, the teeth will grow. That is called as wisdom teeth. Another 4 more teeth. See now, over no, 28 teeth. With that 4, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now, by the time you reach 21 or 22 years, you will be having all 32 teeth in your mouth. Yes, no? So, when you are an adult, you would have a set of 32 teeth. So, when you are adult, when you are grown up, when you have become adult, you will be having all 32 teeth in your mouth. Okay, once again, I'll repeat. We'll glance this. Those who have the textbook, you can see your textbook. Those who don't have, what you have to do, take out your rough note and write this. First, understand what I'm telling. Okay, I'm not teaching more also, only little bit only. Okay, I'll just stop the explaining here. Once again, I'll glance what I have explained in this class. I'll glance now and we'll stop. Okay, just listen now. Okay, what you have written, stop there and listen to me. Okay, teeth, what it helps teeth? To bite, to tear the food, to chew the food, to grind the food. Yes, no, bite, what you will bite? Chocolates you will bite, no? Yes, no, chocolates you will bite, or any chips or anything. Full this much chips you will put inside, no, you will bite. Yes, no, you will hold the chips, you will bite and you will eat. Yes, no, or anything. If you want to tear means what you will do? You will tear, right? You will tear the food and you will have. Yes, no, like chapati. If it is chapati, your mama gives you like rolling it. What you will do? You will cut it and eat? No, you will hold like this and you will tear. You will bite like this? No, you will tear here. Yes, no, you will keep like this and you will tear. Chocolates, you'll bite. After biting, you'll chew. Chew, by chewing, you are grinding the food using our saliva. Yes, no, you can observe when you are eating food, saliva will be produced more. Yes, no, saliva will be produced more when we are eating food. With the help of saliva only, we are grinding the food into smaller particles. After that only, we are swallowing. Yes, no, this is what the teeth does. And with that, what it does, it helps in talking. It helps us to talk properly, and even it gives a proper shape to our face. Yes, no, it gives a good shape to our face. This all teeth does. And how many teeth we have? It is 32 teeth. First, how many we have? What is that? The first set of teeth is called as milk teeth. The first set of teeth is milk teeth. Second set is permanent teeth. We have two types of teeth, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. The milk teeth, when we get this milk teeth, by the age when we are 6 to 7 months, we start getting our teeth. When we reach 3 years, we'll be having 20 teeth. This is what the milk teeth. Okay, this milk teeth after 2 to 3 years, it may be 6 years or 7 years. Okay, the teeth one by one, it is falling down. How it is falling down? This permanent teeth, it is behind the milk teeth, where you are having teeth here, right? Behind this teeth, in your gums, you are having permanent teeth. That teeth, it should come down, it should come out of the gums. So this permanent teeth, it is pushing the milk teeth. So this milk teeth is falling down. After it falls down, this permanent teeth grows, it comes out, and it takes the place of milk teeth. One by one, the milk teeth will be falling down, and one by one, the permanent teeth will be growing. It permanent teeth takes the place of milk teeth. And this permanent teeth, by the age we reach 12 to 13 years, the teeth will be 28. We will be having 28 teeth. Okay. And after this, another 4 teeth we'll get when we are 17 to 21 years. In the age between 17 to 21 years, we'll get again 4 more teeth. It is 28 teeth plus 29, 30, 31, 32. It is now we are having 32 teeth. Another 4 more teeth is called as wisdom teeth. Okay. Now by this we are having all 32 teeth in our mouth. Now if you want, you can count and once check how many teeth you are having. Okay. Once you check, and I'll stop the class here. Next class, what we learn? We learn the structure of the teeth. Okay. Structure of the teeth and types of teeth. There are another 2 more topics what we have to learn. We'll learn structure of the teeth. Here we are seeing only the teeth. It's known inside. Again, there are different parts of the teeth. We learn, and types of teeth we learn. Okay. Now I'll stop. Once, just recall what I have taught you. Understood? Or else, if you have the textbook, you read. Those who don't have, once again, you can watch the class. Okay. Thank you, students.